Hello guys, this is Kazim here. Thanks for tuning to this training video. Today I'll be teaching you how to rotate an object around a circle in Illustrator. So this is our class number 4 in Illustrator. Also, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe now, and also hit the like button if you like this video. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends and families. And you can hit the notification bell icon to keep yourself updated whenever I post a training video like this online. So without any further ado guys, let's get started. So we'll start by creating a new document. You can go up to file and click new, and I'll choose print in this, and I'll just choose A4, and I'll set the orientation to landscape, and I'll just hit OK, and I'll just click on create. So now that we have our document ready, I'll remove the stroke by coming here and clicking on none, and I'll choose a fill of suppose any color like this teal color, and I'll grab my oval shape tool, ellipse tool in the tools panel. The shortcut key is L on the keyboard. Then I'll hold down shift and create a perfect circle like this, and I'll grab my selection tool and I'll just move it here, and then again I'll just click anywhere outside the object on the canvas so it will deselect this. Then I'll change my fill again to something like a yellowish color, and then I'll again grab my ellipse tool and I'll create a small circle like this. To align these two, just grab your selection tool and click and drag on both of these objects, and on top you can see it has shown this option where you can just align it to horizontal align center. Just click on this, it will center align both of these, and I'll just click on this small circle. I'll just bring it down a bit closer to the large circle, and now I'll just click and drag both of these objects, and I'll just place them in the center like so. So now to rotate this object and duplicate it and make it all across the large oval, what you need to do is first click on this selection tool and click and grab both of these objects. Then grab your rotate tool. The shortcut key is R on the keyboard. Then take your mouse in center of this large oval, and the text will show up that says center. When that shows up, just click on Alt on the keyboard and click there, and then it will pop up a dialog box which will help you rotate this object. But make sure the angle has to be divisible by 360. So in this case I'll just type in 18 degrees, and if you want to preview it, you can just click on this preview check, and it will show you how far it is going to rotate. Once you are done with the angle setting, don't click on OK, you have to click on copy, so then it makes a duplicate of that. Now to repeat the step, click on Command D on the keyboard, keep on clicking it, and once you do that, you'll see it will keep on duplicating the object around that large circle over 18 degrees. So that's how you duplicate an object around a circle in Illustrator. Like just now we used Command D for if you're using Mac, but if you're using Windows, you can use Control D as well. So I'll show you one more example. Once you are done with this object, you can just click and drag all of these and go up to the window menu and open your Pathfinder, and then click on this merge. It will make it into a single object, and now you can hold down shift and resize it like so. Now I'll again practice the same exercise on another object. This time we'll be adding triangles around the circle. So again I will grab my ellipse tool, and now I'll click and hold down this ellipse tool, and I'll click on the star tool. I will click anywhere on the canvas, and I'll keep the points to 3, and I'll change the fill to more yellowish color like so, and while holding down shift I'll rotate the object, and I'll bring it to the center, and I will just resize it like this. Now again, to center this object with this one, just click and drag on this both objects, and on top you'll see horizontal align center. Do that, and then just bring this triangle a bit more closer to this. Now again, to rotate this triangle across all this oval, you have to click and drag both of these objects, and then grab your rotate tool again, and I'll move my mouse in center of this orange circle, and I'll click on ALT, and I'll click on the center point. Again, it will pop up that dialog box, and you can see the rotate angle and showing 18 degrees, and the preview is also on. So you can choose whatever value you want, but make sure it has to be divisible by 360. Once you are done, just click on copy, and then I'll click on Command D multiple times, so it will make a perfect shape. So like now it has a nice sun effect. So after you have completed the shape, again you can click and grab all of these, then come up to your pathfinder and click on merge, and it will now make it as a single object. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have learned something from this training video. So that's how you rotate an object around a circle in Illustrator. If you do have any questions, you can feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below, or you can use the contact links on my website lazimdesign.com, and you can drop me a message over there as well. You can also visit my website for more of my training videos like these online. So I will see you in the next class, guys. Thanks for watching.